Today, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple choice and short answer questions in Google Forms. This is essential for creating surveys, quizzes, or feedback forms where you need both structured options and open-ended responses from your participants. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want this form to be saved, as it'll be stored in your Google Drive. After logging in, you'll see your Google Forms dashboard. Click on Blank Form to start creating a new form from scratch. This gives you a clean slate to build your survey or questionnaire exactly how you want it. Now you'll see your first question block appear. Click on the drop-down menu right beside where it says Untitled Question. By default, it might be set to a different question type, so go ahead and select multiple choice from the list. This question type is perfect when you want respondents to pick one option from several choices. In the question field where it says Untitled Question, type your actual question. For instance, you could type something like, "What device do you use most?" This gives your respondents a clear understanding of what they're being asked. Next, you'll see option 1 below your question. Click on it and type your first choice, such as phone. Then click Add Option to create a second field and type laptop. Keep adding options by clicking Add Option again. Type tablet for the third choice, then add one more option and type desktop computer. This gives your respondents 4 clear choices to select from. Now let's add a short answer question. Click the plus icon, which you'll typically find on the right side of your question block. This creates a brand new question below your multiple choice one. Click on the drop-down menu for this new question and select short answer. This question type is ideal when you want people to provide their own written responses rather than selecting from predetermined options. In the question field, type something like, "Do you have any suggestions or comments?" This open-ended question allows respondents to share their thoughts freely, giving you valuable qualitative feedback that multiple choice questions might miss. Before you send your form out to anyone, it's smart to test how it looks and functions. Click the preview button in the upper right corner of the page. This opens your form in a new tab exactly as your respondents will see it, allowing you to check that everything displays correctly and works as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Google form with both multiple choice and short answer questions, giving you the flexibility to collect different types of data from your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.